Alright guys, welcome back to the next video. We're in São Miguel, so Gostosa. Riding some horses here, just like we did up in Pipa. This is Pipoca. What's the nome? Otro? Ludo. Y Pipoca. Beautiful day. This morning a little bit of rain, but right now it's just a beautiful day for a ride down the beach. Here's a beautiful shot of the beach here. We just did a little refresher course. Same as like what we learned last week, how to ride the horse the correct way. So we'll just do the same thing we did with the other horses. We got two really nice, muito tranquilo horses, muito nice horse. They like to walk together. Say oi. Não necessita mascara. Okay, stop it. Horse. Okay. A little bit closer to the ocean now here. This is a beautiful day for a ride here. Really nice. A little bit windy, but it's a beautiful day. Bomb? With the bomb? So I'm no professional cowboy. But this is fun. Alright, so we're right next to the ocean now. Beautiful view. Sun should be down in about another hour. Okay. Now we got about another hour of sunlight here. Beautiful view. Right next to the ocean. Obrigado. Obrigado, Pipoca. Say oi.
Quase que me mata do coração.